Oh, hi there. Welcome back to BSF Recovery Team. Yes, we were back on Blondie. We're on parts hold for the shifter cables, the drive shafts. Yeah, we got to order the drive shafts, and we got to get other little stuff done. We got to measure for drive shafts. And we got to do this on the ground because we need to get a running length of the drive shaft while it's at ride height. 35. 52 and a half.
Hon,
Yeah?
look what I did.
Oh, excellent.
Look at.
Yep, we got headroom. All right.
I gotta
Excellent.
get some.
Adhesive remover?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Well, come look what I did.
You hooked my
I made your seat work.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
So, we'll put those in.
Yeah, I'll run them for now.
Well, we'll see if they give you a good position.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, you got temporary power. Let's see if that adjusts good enough. That's where you like it?
Yep. Oh, I should hit that big rock like Eric does. Take out my box.
No, I don't try and hit the rocks. No, I don't try and do that. I really don't.
My tow truck all crabby.
No.
So, driving my truck, you'll have to do a lot better.
So the key to successful recoveries is having the right products, like Yankum,
Yeah, they're having their Black Friday sale.
which is tomorrow.
It's a 15% off, so that is a great deal.
Not only that, but you get entries for the Scout 2 giveaway.
It's gorgeous.
Did you know the first four-wheel drive vehicle I ever owned was a Scout? Kind of like the one they're giving away.
Red and white?
Well, no, it was brown.
Oh. Well, that's cool.
Yeah. So go to Yankum's website and get your gear today.
Well, then now I gotta call Alan and get my entries in. And then I'll have, if I win, I could have like the Scout and my big beautiful Jeep, Blondie, and you'd only have your little tow truck.
Yeah. Okay. Our gas pedal. We got to figure out a good position for that. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's our wiper arm, and that goes up there. Okay, I got to get that out of the way. See if we can just tape it up out of the way for now. Okay. Now, this mounts on a vertical firewall. That puts it way over there. That won't work. Puts it way over there. Well, that's a good spot for that. Wonder if we can bend that. Wow. I know, I could just cut it off and weld a piece on. But we're getting there. Well, that's getting better.
Nope. Give me.
No, I think we're gonna have to cut it off and weld on a pedal. More fabrication. That bottoms out. So if we weld that on at a little bit of an angle, that should give us the floor clearance we need. Okay, that might do it. All right, let's see how that is. Got to make her comfortable, you know. Well, that doesn't look too bad. A little too high yet. I think we have to angle it down. Boy, I don't know. I think we better cut and put the pedal on there. That way we can get a reference. Yep, I think that's the next step. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, we got the pedal on. Now, let's see. That might work. What do you think?
I think that would work.
Okay. I'll weld it together then. All right, we'll stick that on there. Just a couple of tacks, make sure that we got it in the right spot. Okay. We gotta see how you fit with the gas pedal.
There you go.
How does that work?
I think I can reach it, but it's hitting over here.
Oh,
See?
I gotta bend it over. All right. Okay, try it again. I bent it over. Is that better?
Yeah.
Way better?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, one last time. Well, not the last time the seat's gonna go in and out, but one last time for the pedal. Okay, now we gotta get Abby to finish welding the pedal together. Fun fact, yes, it's raining outside. Supposed to turn to snow tonight. We'll see. But an accelerator pedal position sensor, which is what this is, not to be confused with a throttle position sensor that's on the engine, is a sealed unit. So it will take a little bit of water, and it has a sealed plug. So I'm not too worried about using it on the wrecker, but we are a little bit worried about catching fire to it. Abby's gonna weld it. That looks good. Putting the pedal in, not probably for the last time, hopefully for the last time.
Peekaboo, I see you. Okay, don't have to leave off the bottom one, I'm not doing that.
All right, one step closer to making it to the record games.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Yeah, we got to make it run first. So yes, that's right. We're planning on bringing Blondie to Matt's Off-Road Games, March 19th through the 21st. Running or not,
Yeah.
we're planning on bringing it. And we're planning on bringing the red wrecker, provided I can get that fixed in time. So keep an eye out on our website for special merch for the off-road games.
Limited edition. Do what you can. We understand if you can't, but we greatly appreciate all our fans for everything you guys do for us. Clicking, watching, subscribing, it means the world to us. So we greatly appreciate it. And you guys are probably not gonna see this, but we wanna wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and be safe.
So, thanks for watching. Be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Or on the rocks, or in the sand.
Yeah. Is it time to go to the house? Yeah. It's still raining outside. Hasn't started snowing yet.